Welcome all. I am Sheetal Sangre, lecturer in Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I am going to explain the practical related to the universal gate. That means the verification of truth table of universal gate. So how many universal gates are there? The answer is 2. One is NOR gate and another is NAND gate. So in this practical we will see its symbol, logical expression and truth table first. Then we will do the practical. So let us see. First gate is a NOR gate. So NOR gate is a combination of N for NOT and OR for OR gate. So these two basic gates are combined together and then form NOR gate. So the symbol for NOR gate is only bubble is added into the OR gate, which is nothing but a NOT gate. Now the logical expression for NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b bar. So this bar indicates the inversion of the OR gate. Now this is the truth table for NOR gate. There are two inputs we are considering, A and B. So 4 possible combinations are there, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So when first combination is 0 0, 0 NOR with 0, answer is 1. 0 NOR with 1, answer is 0. 1 NOR with 0, answer is 0. And 1 NOR with 1, answer is 0. This truth table is very easy for drawing if I know the truth table of OR gate. OR gate is nothing but a logical addition. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1 and 1 plus 1, 1. So this NOR gate output is exactly opposite of OR gate. So I can also draw from OR gate. Now we will see NAND gate. So NAND gate is nothing but a NOT gate and AND gate. So I can say it is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. Now in the symbol only bubble is added into the AND gate and that is nothing but a NAND. Once again this bubble indicates the NOT gate. So here is the logical expression y is equal to a dot b bar. So this bar is due to the NOT gate. Now let us see the truth table of NAND gate. Two inputs we are considering. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 are the 4 possible combinations and this is the y output. So how this y output is actually here? So if you know the AND gate truth table, so what is a AND gate? AND gate is a logical multiplication. So 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So exactly opposite of AND gate truth table is nothing but a NAND gate. Now we will see the actual experiment on universal gate. So this is our small kit. In this kit there are basically 3 gates. First is NAND gate, second is NOR gate and third is XOR gate. We have to concentrate on only these two, NAND and NOR. I have written here the number on the IC. So 7400 is the IC number for NAND gate and 7402 is the IC number for NOR gate. LED is nothing but output and these are the switches is nothing but the input to the gate. So Y is output and AB are the input to the gate. These switches are the push to off switch. That means in the rest condition it gives input 1 and when I press this switch, it gives input 0. So first we will verify the truth table of NAND gate. So this is the truth table of NAND gate. So first condition is 0 0, then I get output 1. So when I want to give 0 0, so I have to press both the switches, then I will give 0 0. So when I am giving 0 0, LED is glowing, that means output is 1. So first condition is satisfied. Now second condition we have to do. What is second condition? A is 0 and B is 1. So rest condition B is 1. When I am pressing A, then it is 0. So 0 1, output is 1. That means LED is glowing. So second condition is also satisfied. Now verify third condition. In third condition, A is 1 and B is 0. So A is at a rest position, it is 1. Now when I am pressing B, then it is 0. So when A is 1 and B is 0, output is 1. That means LED is glowing. So third condition is also satisfied. Now last condition we have to verify. So 1 1, that means both the switches at rest condition are the 1. So when inputs are 1 1, LED is off, that means 0. So last condition is also satisfied. In this way, I verified the truth table of NAND gate satisfactorily. Now we will move towards the NOR gate. Now this is the truth table of NOR gate. We have to verify this truth table. All these 4 conditions we have to verify. Now on this IC we have to do the practical 7402. This is the output and these two are the input A and B. So first condition is 0 0. So we have to press both A and B. Then A is 0 and B is 0. So pressing A and B. So when I am giving 1 1, I am getting output 1. That means LED is glowing. So first condition is satisfied. Now second condition is A is 0 and B is 1. So to make A 0, I have to press A. So when I am pressing A and B is 1, output is 0 as LED is off. So second condition is also verified. Now third condition, A is 1 and B is 0. So to make B 0, I have to press B switch. Then output is 0 as LED is off. So third condition is also satisfied. Now last condition, A and B both are 1 and output should be 0. So at rest condition both A and B are 0 0 and LED is off. That means last condition is also satisfied. So in this way we are verifying the truth table of universal gate, that is NOR gate and NAND gate. Thank you.